See, that's what I hate, because I'm always stoned. I'm like, oh, we're going down here. We're just going to have a look at the old building, innit?
I'm just not even used to it anymore.
Yeah. You'd rather just enjoy yourself rather than it becomes a chore, doesn't it? Yeah.
Get kisses there.
That's really cool. You can see the flag. Don't you do, Dave?
No, you can't. Not and stuff like that. You can't.
The problem with me, I've got a private shop where the mould is from. You're better off just don't buy a house. Just save your money if you're going to do that, and then buy it.
I can't believe what Lewis did to go in there. No, I
I know you'll see some you'll see some proper Scottish class graffiti in here.
You get in?
You know, like cocks and shit.
Yeah, that's everywhere though.
You die ourselves Avon.
Yeah.
That's cool though.
Do you want to go down and in first or in that way?
I was good.
Look, it's not changed. Done a photo shoot in here too.
You did.
Loving a photo shoot, eh? It's good in there. Look, proper clipped it. The actual yapper things.
Everything, bro. It's cool because I like the lion.
Yeah.
Lion's really sick.
And obviously he looks chained up like a slave or something.
Yeah, I don't know why. I mean, there's a whole bunch. There's some other people that just kind of walk in.
Yeah.
Explode me, Alec.
Were you?
Back in the game.
Hang on a second. Aye.
You've got to go around the other side. Unless you want to be brave and step on the broken steps.
I'll jump down on Alex's head. You tapping
Oh
people.
my god, I'm surrounded.
Surrounded. Should get a group shot here.
Sorry. I am a little comfortable, but I'm also
Ah, you do well.
thanks because I don't smoke weed anymore. I had 4 or 5 puffs in this joint. I'm stoned. No, I'm having it feel like I'm shoving it in my face now. It's not comfortable, like, you can see it on like some of these early videos. You can see it in the vids. Trying to be more like
Stinks of piss in here. Eh? Aye, old wine cellar.
Oh, hey! You have to jump.
Hmm?
Yeah. Nah, don't do that, don't do that. I'm not sure, I came in this way. I came in the bottom floor,
I'll
so.
find it. Looks like you guys are in like the Temple Run video game.
Yeah.
It's nuts.
I actually can't find how you got down.
I walked
Dale.
out the front. No, you have to walk round the front and round.
Go round to the, go through and go round to the right and come right round.
Oh, seems like hassle.
No, it's not. There's a little path. Just go straight ahead there and walk round. You having fun, Alec?
Yeah, always. Need a group shot in here.
Yeah, we'll get one.
I wonder what they kept in there. I wonder if they were running some kind of business because they've separated it all in the late Victorian era with brick. And
Oh,
it's
that's
numbered.
the wine cellar.
Oh, is it? 'Cause
Yeah.
It's numbered.
Is it just the same as the other side?
That, I think, was the old kitchens where they used to bake bread and stuff.
Right.
I think.
Yeah.
And that's the wine cellar, the ones that are numbered.
Yeah, because it's separated it all. I wonder if they were ages,
Mhm.
like years they were put there maybe.
Away further round, there's like some really old graves and a crypt that kind of looks like this.
Really?
Does this get right round, no?
Yeah, go all the way
Is it?
I saw my kids when they were like that. I would get in here and crying.
It's so cool
Yeah.
that. So unusual. Oh, he's like it. And that.
It's nuts. Oh, there was a door here then.
Aye,
I wonder if they kept the older stuff in there.
Yeah, 100%. That would have had a big metal fucking gate on it, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Imagine some of the stuff that was in there. Look at that.
Oh,
Just the hinge for that. Yeah, as well.
It stinks of piss in here.
Oh yeah, there's a big toilet around there. Could be the local toilet.
That is nice though.
Yeah. It's always a good one to have a little walk.
Oh, I've only been in here, isn't it?
Alec, can you just stand still just for a sec?
Alec, just stand still for a sec. You know.
Can I move?
There you go. Do as you told. Like I have to.
How do I look?
Oh wait, bloody.
It's blurry.
Because you're moving.
Better.
Can I move?
Yeah, you can move. There's people. Yeah.
Yes, but my alcohol was different here, so we could tell how much it had aged.
I'm going to set my tripod up.
Wait.
Huh?
That was a nice picture, but he's moved. Wait till he goes back.
Oh, there, up there, aye.
What'd you say? Look.
That was a nice picture, he moved.
Oh. Have you got the backy look?
Yeah,
Why's my
looks like he's
body
back there.
talking?
stand in the middle. Right off or on? Fuck out or in.